Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a neon bear giveaway because I have two bears. One is Cassie and one is Princess, and I'm giving away Cassie today. So how you enter is you like, comment, and subscribe. And when this video hits 25 comments, I will be giving away. So enter very fast and share with your friends if your friends wanna enter too. So, and if you want to offer for it, if you have a parrot and you wanna trade for this, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll end this giveaway just for that, because I need one. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye. But first, before we actually go, I will be showing you my favorite pets real quick so I can entertain you a little bit more. So we have a lemon, my neon giraffe, Pickle, my neon crocodile, Sweetie, my red flamingo, Princess, my neon fly, Bear, Ellie, my elephant, Blue Ivy, my blue dog, Candy Floss, my pink cat, and Sicky, my neon otter. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye, and please enter soon and get the Don't Trip merch, so sometimes you can win free stuff from Journey.